Hey everyone! Today we are going to talk about my 5 favorite adult coloring books for 2022. And the way I picked these was based on 2 things. One, which ones did I color in the most? And 2, which ones, excited me the most? Like which ones were like I want to color. So let's get started. I guess we'll go from work our way up. So number 5 is the Autumn Coloring Book. This is by Yana Prosperina. She's one of my favorite artists, both on Etsy and Amazon. I will link to all 5 of these books in the description below. I believe all of them are still on Amazon, but maybe not. So what I really like about this one, I really love fall in general, but I just love her art style. Now this is Amazon Create Space paper, so I tried to do a marker base on this one and failed. I ended up redoing this. I scanned it, but I've colored a few in here. This was all Prismacolor. This one is a whip. This is Prismacolor. All I have to finish is this background. And the things on her skirt, I just can't decide what I want to do. I really enjoyed doing the wings on this one. But I mean, look at her artwork. It's really fun. Her style is just fun. And even though it's an autumn book, you don't have to necessarily wait for autumn. Obviously, these ones you do. This is another one I just had to do the background on. But I mean, like would be so pretty in those fall colors. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. I had wanted to color more this fall season in it, and I just didn't get around to it. I have colored this one in the Coloring Heaven edition that has this image, but I may recolor it. So yeah, and she does do a lot of like males in hers too, which is rare. So I really want to color that one too. But yeah, isn't it just so pretty? So definitely one of my favorite coloring book artists for 2022. And then this book specifically, I have quite a few of hers. Okay, number 4. 50 Stylish Mandalas by Camellia Angel Kova. I really liked this mandala book from her. This is one of her newer ones. I have quite a few mandalas done. This is actually one of my 10 books to finish. As you can see, I've been working on it all year. Just different color palettes. I don't have too many left to do. And one thing I like to do when I'm coloring these is just do a Sarah Renee Clark palette, and I just like randomly scroll and where it lands, like January. That's the palette I do. I like that one. I usually use a combination of my Ohuhu bullet nib markers and then glitter gel pens because I like a little sparkle. Let's see if you can see the sparkle. It's kind of overcast today, but yeah, I don't have a ton left. I really like this one though. Just the overall style, well, it is stylish, I guess, true to its name. But yeah, the overall style of this one I just really enjoyed. I think there's one in here. Yeah, this one. I had lost the gel pens to it, but I had just repurchased more AN gel pens. That's the brand I use, so I'm going to try and match it up and then finish this one. But yeah, this one's almost done. So definitely a fun one if you like mandalas. Okay. Number 3. Johanna Basford, Rooms of Wonder. Now, this is on my list, but I haven't colored in it, so you're probably like, hi there. I just got this. I had gotten the US version with that weird paper, and then I went and bought the UK version with the paper that we all know and love. But the book itself, the artwork, I am excited about. I can't wait to color all these little doodles in busybody spaces. Like, I'm very excited. So now that I have the UK one, which I just got in last month's haul, you might remember. Oh, I really want to color this page. I plan to sit down and start coloring away, and probably on camera, because I know a lot of you really want to see this one on camera. So this will definitely be one I try to get on camera a lot more this upcoming year. But yeah, I'm just excited. I think this is by far my favorite book from her. This page I've seen done so many beautiful ways now that I'm like intimidated. So it may be the last one, but this may end up being one of my books to finish for next year. Every year I like to revisit my list and change it out. Oh, this would be so fun too. I just want to do some like fun magical colors, escape into a new world. Yeah, so it's on my list because I just got it and I haven't colored in it, but gosh darn it, I am ready. All right, number 2. Now, this is my favorite book of all time and still is my favorite book. It always shows up in my list. I did not color in it much this year, but that's because I've been really taking my time with this book. So for those of you new to my channel, I am coloring Flowerscape cover to cover. That means in order, only using Prismacolors, which is my favorite colored pencil. Now, I do have a second copy. The artist, Maggie Anterios, was so sweet and sent me a signed one, so I can use other pencils in that one. But this one I'm doing in order with Prisma, and I'm taking my time because I want it absolutely perfect. Because when I bought this book and flipped through it, I was just blown away. And I can zoom in a little bit more. I was just blown away at the beautiful images. I love her style. So I have colored this one and this one. You guys have probably seen if you've been on my channel for a while. I remember I was struggling. Oh, what should I do for a background? And then, you know what? Like, everyone was like, just leave it. And I think it just actually looks good that way. This one took for flippin' ever. I'm never doing a pencil background again. And then we've got this double page spread here. And this is actually where I'm at. I already printed out some reference photos for both of these. And I'm going to start diving into this in January of 2023. And I am just going to like get back into it. I got so sidetracked with portraits. I can't wait to color this one. That I kind of like just wasn't feeling florals. And like I said, I want this book to like look pretty and perfect because it's something that really excites me. And it's kind of like going to be my little gallery. So if I'm not in the mood, I'm not going to force it. But it is still one of my favorite books. I mean, this artwork is just breathtaking. So yeah, you should see more in 2023 of this one. Okay, number 1 is, well, if you watched my completed pages, this is in there almost every single month. It is one of my 10 books to finish. This is Enchanted Faces. It's the pocket-sized book by Hannah Lynn. I love this book so much that I bought a second copy of the pocket-sized, and then I bought the full-sized version as well. I'm almost done. Oops, we got a little stuck there. So this is one of the books where I've taken apart the spine. So the pages are all just... So I have some started here, quite a few finished. I really don't have many left to do in this book, to be honest. Like, I've got that one. I should put that off to the side. Got a little turtle gal, and this one I had meant to do for Christmas and spaced. Need to finish her. These are all the little thumbnails. And the reason I bought a second copy was I really love the hair. These are just like all hair. Let me put that towards the front. That one I've done. I really want to do that one. So some of these I'll redo in the other version, either different colors or perfect a combo. But yeah, as you can see, ooh, that hair is going to be so fun. I love the long flowy ones. This is one of my favorite ones in here. I love the way the hair turned out. And I usually use Prisma. Occasionally I'll test another brand. So here's another one I gotta finish. I'm almost positive I'll be able to finish this in 2023. That one's... I usually do like a marker background and then kind of accent with gel pen. As you can see, I really favor this hair color combo, and I'm not ashamed to say it. There it is again in bigger scale. But yeah, so not too many left. Let me move these over there too. I tried a blue. I'm not sure I like it. I did like this one. I think I needed some more sparkle. Get that one. These ones are intimidating because I don't really draw those or color those. This one I tried like a lavender hair and it just didn't work. Oops. This one was not too bad. Again, that same hair combo. This one I just didn't finish, it looks like. I tried a blue hair in that one. It wasn't too awful. Again, with my favorite hair color combo. It's just 4 pencils. I'm pretty positive I shared it on a video once. I liked this one though. This was a Sarah Renee Clark random palette. So was this one. Again, that same combo. I just reach for those colors. It's 4 pencils, but I actually sometimes vary it up, but it looks kind of the same-ish to you guys, but I actually vary the colors a little. I actually really like the way this one turned out. So yeah, that is... Whew. So if you don't like to use the pocket size books, you can get this in full size, but I think the pocket size is so much better because you can just belt them out like super fast. And I almost use these as a way to kind of unwind between pictures and just like do a picture really fast and feel like, oh, I've done something, and then I can go back to something complicated. So yeah, that is my favorite, or my top 5 adult coloring books of 2022 right there for you. So I would love to hear in the comments below what your favorite books were this year, whether it's ones you were just super excited to color in but you just got them, or that you colored a ton in. Definitely let me know. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.